Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel I do home decor videos, lifestyle, lots of shop with me's. So if you're interested in any of those type of videos, please consider subscribing. All right guys, I know it's been a while since we've been shopping at HomeGoods, but I feel like they kind of fell off for a little bit. And not only that, I've been looking for very specific items, and sometimes you go there and you kind of spend or you overspend on things you don't really need. So I haven't been going as often until this past week. I feel like they've been stepping it up, and I want to show you guys what they've been having. So if you're looking for any of these items, you can go and get your hands on them. And we actually have a haul. And not only that, we are also doing a giveaway for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your continued support. We'll save all that to the end. So watch all the way to the end so you guys can see what I picked up from HomeGoods and what I will be giving away to 2 lucky subscribers. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're back. So what did you guys think? Do you think that HomeGoods fell off a little bit? Do you feel like they're stepping it up? Do you feel like it's the same? Let me know down below. So let me show you guys what I picked up. So I was really interested in getting some type of candy bowl or some type of maybe like a marble bowl, something shiny, something beautiful to lay on a coffee table or on a sofa table, something flat, not too tall. And I found the perfect item. Not only that, I saved money. Money, okay? Who doesn't like to save money? Because some of those things can be really, really expensive. So I actually found a Petrified wood bowl. You guys know I love Petrified wood. I have a brown one, I have a black one mixed with like a little bit of brown, looks like marble. And I really cannot believe I found this. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can use this as a catch-all bowl for your entryway table. You can use this on a coffee table for decor. You can put this on a sofa table. So many things you can do with this. And this was only $24.99. It says compared to $50. And you guys saw other ones I showed in the Shop With Me video. They had really large ones, brown ones, if that's more your vibe, more your speed. I would definitely check out your HomeGoods because I went to a few different HomeGoods and they all had those bowls. So I would definitely check your HomeGoods out if you were interested. But I absolutely love this and it was such a good price. This is what I love. Like things like this I love finding at HomeGoods because just unique pieces that you can just really save money on. I love that. That's what I love about HomeGoods. Next thing I got is this beautiful coffee table book. This is the Alexander McQueen coffee table book. I really love how it has like this texture. It's just beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. I love how it has, I think it's kind of like a rose gold, but not too rosy. So I did look through it because I've actually looked through my coffee table books, you guys, whether you would believe it or not. I looked through them. It's very interesting, let me just say that. But sometimes you get the coffee table book for the aesthetics. So that's what this is for. And this one was $39.99. It says on here that it retails for $90. My gosh, $90. So I've been seeing this a few times since I've been hopping in HomeGoods throughout the week. And if you're interested in this book, take a look at your HomeGoods. And one of my friends, Michelle, over on Instagram, I love her Instagram account. She's the sweetest thing, you guys. You should follow her. She actually has this book on her coffee table, my dream coffee table from Restoration Hardware, and she just has it displayed so beautifully. I'm gonna pop a picture so you guys can see that. You guys should definitely follow her. But beautiful, beautiful coffee table book. So HomeGoods right now, they've been having a lot of really nice vases. So if you're looking for any vases, definitely be on the lookout for that. Sometimes they might not be the exact color you want. And listen, I am all for DIY projects. If I knew how to make pottery, I would make my own vases. I don't, but I do know how to spray paint, so that's what I'm gonna do. I picked up 2 vases and they are pretty much the same. One's shorter, one's taller, and I really love the look of layering similar vases together. And not only that, I've been noticing, well, since we've, entered spring, we're getting fresh florals and all that. I don't have a lot of vases that have a wide opening where I can stick in like a glass and fill it up with water and have fresh florals. I mean, that's so beautiful to layer them up together. I am gonna paint these, not sure what color yet, but they are gonna get painted. The large one was $16.99 and the smaller one was $12.99. Okay, now for the giveaway. Let me just say, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I really started taking YouTube seriously, I would say July of 2020, and it's just really taken me on an amazing journey. And I absolutely love it. I love interacting with you guys, and I love how we can share our stories. Some of you reached out to me and told me that you're first-time home buyers and you're moving into your new home and you're decorating and you love watching these type of videos to get inspiration. I love that. I love connecting with you guys and hearing your stories. So yeah, keep reaching out, keep sharing your stories down below. It's very inspiring, and I know not only does it help me, inspires me, I'm sure that it can help and inspire other people. That's why I love creating this positive community, so we can just really help each other out and create beautiful homes. So we reached 10,000 subscribers not too long ago, and I am going to give away, okay, these are heavy, 2 Louis Vuitton coffee table books. These books are absolutely beautiful. It's a substantial book. I love using coffee table books as risers, as decor pieces, inspiration. So all you have to do is be a subscriber, like the video, and let me know down below where you would put this book, where you would style this book in your home, just so I know that you want to be entered into the giveaway and YouTube doesn't spam your comments for all typing the same thing. So that's all you have to do. Like this video, be a subscriber, comment down below letting me know where you would put the book and style it. And also for extra bonus, follow me over on my Instagram account. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. So thank you guys again for your continued support. You guys really are amazing to me. You're so nice. You're so positive. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.